And really people like Ombudsman and all these agencies need to start questioning whether this guy is fit to hold the office or not. This is the second time he's done something like this. He's unfit for the office, in my view. Suppose this la pass, blow Prime Minister, come out, blow Finance Minister, come out. Look at one payment by Golo Paraka. Because, first of all, there was no money to pay Paraka. They had to create an account, or create a new account, because no other account will pay Paraka too. Or create in Penis, all go kissing money, put him inside those account now, all raising check now, all paying Paraka. That's here. This is in the court's evidence. Mipla Kamna, misuse him or fakes, or Mipla Gyaman, Mipla makeup. What the minister is saying when he's saying there's a crucial distinction between a witness and an accused, what he's trying to say is this. Suppose you involve Lowan plus still, okay, you come a witness, even though you involve, Mipla by no not charging you. That's what he's saying. The laws of Papua New Guinea do not give any immunity to someone who is a witness and also one of the star actors in the case. It doesn't. This is very poor from a police minister. He's already trying to build a case to say, look, Mibla by Nonapa, go after Longol, star witness, na star performance. That's what he's saying. And if he's saying that, then I'm saying that this is wrong. This is wrong. Those two who were most responsible for defrauding the people of Papua New Guinea, one plem Karabus Pinis. Narbla, police minister Togono Naptatsimem. That's what he's saying.
Because he's witness.
Because I'm witness. Yet write him pass. Yet direct him Secretary Blong Finance. Direct him Secretary of the Treasury. To pay him Paraka. Walk him.